So I got this out. This is the old bulb, and we are going to be putting the new bulb on it. So, give me just a second. I will grab the old bulb, or the new bulb. Alright, so this is apparently the new bulb. So, I've got to obviously cut this little rubber piece. I'm just gonna splice it down the middle to fit this new LED bulb. So, here we go. Let's put that bad boy on. Let me grab a knife here. And we will basically just take that and splice that right up the middle. Now, let's go ahead and put that bulb in there. Let's see, there we go. So it fits in just like that. And then we will obviously put this cover back on here. Okay, so that's on, and we will put this rubber boot back over there like so. Now that basically fits in there just like that. It's got a slight, yeah, you can see there, not a big deal for me. I'm not planning on going buck wild with it anywhere, but so I'll take that and we will plug that bad boy in there and tuck that down in there where it should be and reinstall. Should have got a ratchet. I didn't get a ratchet though. I just got my, what is this, 10mm? One thing I noticed on these headlights is they put this cluster and the headlight brackets down below this little thing in here. So my headlight actually sits just a little bit lower because it should be up probably about a 1/2 inch. That should be up on top and then that'll be at the bottom. So my headlight sits down a little bit lower. Make sure those sit in there correctly like they should. And then reinstall this bolt right here. That was it. There we go. Alright, so that's it. You saw the first little bit as far as the this thing's kind of been a little scawampus ever since I bought it, so this kind of crooked here. I'm not sure what happened. Might have been in a little accident, or yeah, those mounts are a little crooked. So it's throwing this off just a hair. But let's bring you back here for just a second and we'll kick this bike on. Let's see. It's gonna work? Oh! Oh snap! Oh! Dude, that's gonna be cool. Boom. And just like that, we installed a new LED headlight bulb in the Yamaha TW200. So let's check this out just for fun here. Kick on old Jake's bike. We'll kick on old Scatter Dad's bike. You can see the difference here between the LEDs. There's your bright, there's your non-brights. There's my bright, or no, there's my non-bright, and there's my brights. So, that one looks like a J&S. This one is just a light bulb. Now, these are the bulbs that I bought here. I will link these up in the description below. But it is the BeamTech S1-H4. H4. That's the headlight that is in my TW right now. Stay tuned. We're gonna make another video. It's a little chilly out tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna go ride it tonight. I probably will just in the yard, but for a night riding video, we're gonna take out, hell, we'll probably take both these bikes out. I'll invite Jake down and we'll go test it out. Maybe Moss Street. We'll go ride with, well, I don't know if he'll ride with me at the dark. We like to be home with our families as far as like that goes. So, but we may plan a trip one of these days to go down to Moab on an overnight trip. If we do, we'll ride at night. Hopefully, maybe, if it's not cold. But yeah, check it out. Go buy you some of these bulbs if you're, I mean, they're cheap. I got 2 bulbs. Maybe we'll even do a giveaway or something. Hell, if I can get to like 1,500 subscribers or something, maybe I'll just give one of these light bulbs out to a subscriber who has a TW, who wants to put that in their light bulb. All right, peace out, have fun, go play, go work, go enjoy life. Just enjoy your life. There's so much to live for. Life is good, folks. All right, just to show you some comparisons real quick before I cut this off. We obviously have the J&S headlight on this side and my bulb I just replaced on this side. Now, this is stock, okay? Stock setup right here. Well, not stock, but I've only got the bulb and low beams. That's the high beam, the J&S. That's the high beam on my bike. So, I'm thinking we need to go out and ride a little bit. Now, granted, this is on a little slope here, so our bikes are kind of, yeah. So obviously you can tell mine's gonna shine a little further, but it may be too far. I don't know. Maybe I won't be able to see anything. So there's both highs. You can see kind of the difference in both the headlights. Once again, J&S on this side. The beams I put in the stock headlight on this side.